Today we are in Amsterdam and this is the canal right behind our Airbnb. We got here yesterday and we just went quickly to the town to check it out, and then we went to go get groceries, just like some cereal and breakfast stuff. And now we're getting our bikes so that we can ride around town.
This is so complicated.
Sheldon's struggling.
Yeah, right?
I will have to come back to you guys.
This woman has 5 locks on her door, 5 locks on the main door, and 3 locks on a bicycle.
I don't know how I look with these black sunglasses. Hopefully fine.
Up to the chocolates.
Thank you so much.
Right.
Hi. Can we please yeah. One mayo and one cheese sauce.
650.
Thank you.
We can also just film it like this, like get some food.
Guys, so we are at a pub right now. We're just having some drinks, and then tomorrow we're gonna go and do something really fun. And we actually had a good time riding our bicycles to the city center, and we just kind of parked it somewhere so that we can use it to get back home because our house is so far. The driving is so difficult.
Buy this shoe. It's gonna last me forever. Because
probably will.
They like my other diesel shoes.
What does that mean? Good morning, guys. It's Sunday in Amsterdam and we're gonna walk past the Amstel Castle, hopefully go to KFC and grab some lunch. Sheldon's watching me, waiting for me.
We're going to a butterfly farm.
We're going to a butterfly farm. I'm so excited. We're gonna chill because it's Sunday, so it's very relaxed on a Sunday here. So yeah.
Nothing opens until 12 o'clock.
Yeah, nothing opens until 12, so we're leaving the house quite late. Oh, look at how cute that baby. Oh, guys.
Hey, this Twinkie is amazing.
I know.
What is this?
Mine's already finished. Seriously. Whoa, Sheldon, my face is beat. How do you feel walking around like with somebody that beats their face like this?
What's beat mean?
Like, puts on so much makeup. Huh?
I don't think you have that much.
Sheldon is such a nice husband. I did the right thing. I will see you at our next destination, which is going to be KFC.
Yeah.
So we're gonna make this Trader Joe's pancakes. We're gonna use it in the toaster. We can't really understand what's in here. We don't know if the stuff's even good for you, but hey, Trader Joe's it is. And then they left us some syrup, which we'll be using too. And of course we'll have beef sausages. And we'll have fruits. Yay!
Yeah. That's a good breakfast.
Yay. I didn't catch up with you guys yesterday, but we had a delicious apple pie. Finally got my hands on one. I'm having the most amazing candy. Got a big sweet tooth. So yeah, we just went to the grocery store, got groceries and came back, and we decided not to go out to eat because we just weren't feeling hungry. Like, we've been really taking advantage of the market because we went yesterday and the market was good. I'm coming down with a little bit of the flu, so this morning this is all the stuff I need to pack. This need to take now, keep my vitamin C levels up. On my phone I have all the places that I'm gonna go today, so Sheldon has sent me the places I need to go. I'm really not good with going out by myself and being independent. I hate it. I feel like it's a little bit boring as well, because you're by yourself, like no one's to be by themselves. But I kind of have no option because Sheldon is going to get his tattoo done today. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. Right now I'm gonna just put in my euros. Alright guys, I'm gonna cycle down to the first place I want to go to is definitely maybe a McDonald's would be great. So I'm gonna quickly leave GPS there and then hit the city right here. Just so gorgeous. Look at how grand that is.
It looks steamy.